Good evening, my crafty friends. It is the 10th. I live in California, so I figure I have a couple hours of leeway. But I did get these finished. And let me show you what I did. I went ahead and raided my scraps pile because I do have plenty from Christmases past. And this beautiful gold paper is from the friend of mine that gave me the die cut machine and all the other goodies. And these dies that I used are from China. And these I managed to pull out at the last minute, and I think they added a nice sparkle. And Christmas Wishes from the Heart is from a Hero Arts kit. And then the Christmas Wishes is from Stampin' Up. Anyway, so this paper here with the red glitz is from Echo Park. It was a part of a big kit I bought the very first Christmas. It was on sale. It was like a huge package of stuff. So there's that one. And then here's this gold. I'm glad I found these because it gave a nice little pop of color. And again, the deer is from China. And I'm not sure where I got this paper, but it's nice. It was in 8.5 by 11. And here's the pine cone, which is also from China. And the pine cone again. And this paper, I can't remember where I got it off of Amazon, but I don't know the name of the company. But I thought it was real pretty paper. It comes in the red and then a green. I decided not to use it because it was more of a tranquil tide color than a true green. So there's those two. And then this one again, the pretty bow. I had a couple of those, so I went ahead and used those. And this paper is Stampin' Up. It's older paper. I think I got it the very first Christmas I started crafting. I think it was Christmas of 14. And then here's some trees. I went ahead and glued this one down and popped this one up with dimensionals. And then here's another tree with this fancy paper. And I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I even had an extra one in case either one of these messed up or I did not make the 10 and 10. So thank you so much for joining me. It's been a pleasure, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.